Hi guys, we're out picking huckleberries again on our property, and someone is just going to destroy it and eat them all. Right, Zelina? No, I got it for you, baby.
Thank you.
Here.
My hands are dirty.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
All clean. Can you grab them all? Grab them all out of my hand, please. Easy. Don't squeeze them. Wait for mommy, okay? What you eating? Huckleberries?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mommy, don't go. Don't go.
I'll be careful.
Don't go. What was that?
Just
Dragonfly.
cars.
It was a dragonfly.
Was it?
You were gonna go hidden. You were gonna go hidden down the bank. We don't want that.
Yummy.
What?
No, baby. Stay right there, please. Here. Here you go. Here you go. Let me see. Oh. What? Hold on.
I ate the baby.
Did you?
I ate the baby huckleberry.
You ate the baby huckleberry. Aren't you cute? Yummy, yummy in our tummy.